Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change character in Subway Surfers. To change your character in Subway Surfers, launch open the Subway Surfer application and make sure to log into your account first. After you are inside the homepage of Subway Surfer, tap on the Me button at the bottom of the screen. Within the Me menu, make sure that you select Characters. Now, swipe through the character option and tap on one of the characters you'd like to change to. Some characters are available by default, whereas for some characters, you'll need to unlock them using coins or keys. Choose the character you want to purchase or change to and tap on the Select button. Right after you do that, you can go back to the game and you will be able to see that your character has now been changed. And that's how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.